Okay, I'm pulling back the curtain. Hello everybody, welcome back! I have my voice again. I'm now a full-grown boy. So today, as you can tell, I'm not in my regular filming area. Normally I do film in the kitchen. Right now I am in my bedroom, so welcome. It is a little bit messy and empty right now because I am planning on moving back to UBC. So things are getting packed up into boxes and getting moved around. So just ignore that and that and also that. So today I am turning myself into a peach. If you want to see me go from this to this, stay tuned and keep on watching. Like always, I'm going in with my concealer and priming my eyes. I will be tapping it all over just with my fingy. And as you can tell, I'm breaking out a bit. Don't know why. Like literally thinking about school got me stressed and pressed. My body's like,
yo, you got school in what, 2 weeks? Time to break out.
I am going in with a little bit of eyeshadow and just doing my brows. Okay, so my brow is done, and now I'm gonna go in with the eyeshadow. So again, this is our inspiration. I am sort of thinking about it on the spot. Honestly, I should have thought this through before I started filming. Because I don't know what I'm doing right now. I have not thought it through. I'm just gonna start with a sort of transition color, probably like a light pink. Is this gonna show up? To answer my question, no, it's not gonna show up. And I'm really just stamping it in because we really want to get a defined line. That looks fucking ugly. Do you know what this looks like? Fucking mango. I don't know what to do. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do a cut crease because this is sort of looking exactly like my mango look. So I'm going now in with more pink, and then I'm gonna use a red and pack it again into the crease to add dimension. I'm putting some concealer on the back of my hand and using a concealer brush, I'm just gonna cut my crease. Okay, this is cut honestly low-key pretty well. It's kind of fire. I'm gonna go over the top of my cut crease with a sandy like color here just to set it in place. So I'm just gonna go in with a small brush and just pack it in. Now I'm gonna go in on the edge and sort of add a little more of a gradient back in as usual. So going in with a fluffy brush and some deep red, I'm just gonna go in along the edge. Now that I have that blended out, I'm going to use a makeup wipe and clean up the edges. I'm now going in with a little bit of red on an itty bitty detail brush. I'm just gonna go right against my lash line. And finally for the inner corner highlight, okay, we're gonna pat that in right here for now. I'll show you guys what it looks like in the sun in a second, but for now I'm gonna go do my other eye and I will be right back. Are they even? No. Do I care? Also no. At this point I don't give a rat's ass what it looks like. This took me an hour just to get this to look like this, and I need to finish this video. So I'm gonna go really quickly and do the rest of my face. I'm going in with my foundation on my booty blender and just gonna do like like a regular base, like I normally do. My brother was literally like, don't fucking get makeup on my hoodie or you owe me $100. And I just drip foundation on his hoodie. Okay, BRB. Update, it is not really coming out. At this point, I just want to get this video over with. I will wash it later and try and get it out. And because my foundation is so light, I will blend some of the contour into it just to help make me look not as pale. I'm going to contour my nose now, and I will be right back. Now that my nose is contoured, I'm gonna go in with some blush and just go along the sort of contour area. And I'm gonna go with a little blush moment on the nosy. This little touch of pink. I'm gonna bring the blush up to the front of the face. I'm gonna go a bit up here. Now that I am blushing, I'm gonna quickly pop on lashes and then I'm gonna do my lips. Okay, I have my lashes on. Now we're gonna do lips. I'm gonna go in with some liner and just follow the shape of my lip. Now that my lips are lined, I'm going in with a matte balm. And I'm just going in with some concealer. I'm gonna go right in the middle and really lighten it up. Now I'm just gonna go in with some eyeshadow to highlight the lip. I'm gonna go in with a pink shimmer and just go on the bottom and top. Okay. So this is the final look. Oh, I didn't highlight. Just kidding. So this is the final look. Thank you all so much for watching. This is the final peach inspired look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought about it down below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Feel free to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post my next video. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. These peaches are actually really good. Oh, these peaches are actually really good. That's enough of that fuckery. See ya.